every endeavor, you have your baseline skills that you need to learn. And in the martial arts, these are called the basics. Typically, it's a set of blocks, high block or rising block, a forearm block, a knife hand block, and then you walk up and down the floor executing these blocks. That is great for coordination. It will help get you in shape. It will build your confidence because as you move through the ranks, your skill is going to improve and you'll start to apply that confidence to different areas of your life. The one thing to remember, though, is that these techniques are not the actual blocks that you would use in a self-defense situation. No guy is going to punch me in the head and give me time to put my hand way back here and execute the block, because actually that's the block. So it's over-exaggerated in the beginning as a basic so you get the path down so that when you really need it, you've got your shields with you. Those are the basic blocks.